1, 2, 3, 4.
I leave my house at 3 o'clock with 200 texts and 2 missed calls, 'cause all of the friends that I pissed off all talked. And I took a job for just July. It feels like I might be here for life. Yeah, I'm in it now, I'm in it now. Could I start again somehow?
Yes, I'm a mess with an S on my chest, got stress filling up my head. So I spent last night blowing up my life, now you won't see me again. Cheers to the front end, cheers to the back end, cheers to the 2010s. I can hate my guts when the sun comes up, but I like myself like this. I like myself like this.
Why should I fix the shit I've done when I could just pack my shit and run? Delete every number from my phone. So long. Yeah, I'll get new shirts 'cause mine all stink, and I'll tell my boss what I really think. Yeah, I'm in it now, I'm in it now. Could I start again somehow?
Yes, I'm a mess with an S on my chest, got stress filling up my head. So I spent last night blowing up my life, now you won't see me again. Cheers to the front end, cheers to the back end, cheers to the 2010s. I can hate my guts when the sun comes up, but I like myself like this. I like myself like this. Yes, I'm a mess with an S on my chest. So I spent last night blowing up my life, now you won't see me again. Yes, I'm a mess with an S on my chest. I could hate my guts when the sun comes up, but I guess that's what this is. I like myself like this.
I could hate my guts when the sun comes up, but I like myself like this.
Yeah, let's hear it for Floodwatch, everybody!